shit. So as you guys saw from that opening clip, the battery is dead. We actually didn't fake that. We did hook it up and try and start it, and it didn't. Now this thing has sat outside since we used it at Heathcote almost 12 months ago. So who knows how many storms this thing's been sitting out in, but now it's time to bring it inside the shop and we'll see what else is wrong with it. Obviously we need a brand new radiator since, you know, we blew the old one up. Who knows what else this thing needs, but we'll get it going again and we'll get it back on the pad. I've got some go fast bits as well as some upgrades for the Radgna. It's been sitting for 12 months, far too long. Let's get this thing going again. Alright, so now it's time to fix the Magna up. Obviously, as you guys heard, it has no power steering fluid, so I'm not sure where that went. And now we've actually got a heap of go fast parts for this car. So I think maybe what we do is we make the car reliable first, so we get the car working with a brand new radiator and stuff, and then we have a bit of fun at the end and inevitably blow it up. So first things first, let's get this thing actually working. After that, it's time for the fun.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my coupe. Hold a couple racks, tell them I love you. You wanna be a boss, do it like I do. Yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best. Snake eyes, I'm the same guy, on the same grind. Busy printing money, watch the paint dry. My intuition told me through the grapevine that I'ma get rich and I ain't lying, yeah. Get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. I get that money, I'ma flex. You now rockin' with the best.
Alright, so last time we used this thing, we actually broke the top off the radiator and a radiator hose simultaneously. So I'm not sure which way it went first, whether the hose blew and then it broke the top out of the radiator, but regardless, we need a new one of these and it'd be a shame not to upgrade it while we're going. So I think it's time we finally see what upgrades I've actually purchased for the Radgna. here is our brand new radiator from Kenko Racing. So I got this thing from Pro 1 Race Parts in Queensland, and it cost me an absolute fortune. So hopefully this is going to be the upgrade for the Radgna that we need, although there is a fair bit of Magna in the way. So we're going to have to do some cutting to make this fit, but this is going to be a great upgrade. It even came with the shroud, all the fans, everything we need to make this upgrade work in the Radgna. It's just there's Magna in the way. So I think we're going to have to get this thing in the car, we'll get some test fits, and we'll get cutting. All right, so just a quick little recap for those at home that actually don't know what the Radgna is. So what we did is, I'll put a link up here to the build series. What we did was we got the original engine, combined it with a Pajero gearbox and a custom tail shaft. So it started with an all-wheel drive Magna to create a rear-wheel drive Magna. Now that obviously had quite a few headaches, but it culminated in us using it at a Heathkit, and eventually that's where the radiator decided to end its life. So there's quite a bit of work that went into this, and now it's all rusty and it looks kind of crappy, but this took us months. So we would appreciate if you'd hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more Magna content in the future, doing more burnouts, because that shows us that you guys want to see this. I still get a comment about once a week on the channel, where's the Radgna? We haven't seen the Radgna for a while. Here we go, guys, we're bringing the Radgna back just for you. So that's a recap of what the car is. Now let's get the condenser out and all the Magna in the way of this brand new radiator. We're going to get it in and hopefully doing skids by the end of this episode. Okay, so currently just making the room for the brand new radiator. So all of the AC is coming out, all the condenser, all the everything. It was still in there from this is all factory. I never ended up pulling it out. So weirdly enough, this is probably going to be mainly the big modification we need. And then I think most of it's going to fit, maybe. We'll see. So hopefully I'm just getting stuff out of here. Maybe we have to end up cutting down there to notch it, to make it fit one step at a time. So I knew that all this needed to come out, so we'll pull this out. We'll do a test fit now, see if that fits. Hopefully, you know, it's somewhere close. We can mark it, cut the rest out, have the radiator in it in the next sort of hour. Now, on second thought, I probably shouldn't have gone to the biggest radiator I could find. I'm not actually sure if this is even going to fit. So I measured between the rails and was like, yep, it'll fit between the rails, we'll make the rest work. Now, as you can see, there's almost nothing in there right now, and it still doesn't fit. So I'm gonna have to get rid of all this and possibly notch down here, because I think I measured rail to rail, and now I've just gone off the width of the radiator. So maybe don't do that in future. Maybe don't just get the biggest size you can for the car. Maybe get the right one. fire safety. Don't leave shit in the engine bay that you're using to clean. Or put it away. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. Just let it go. Woo! That was damn. That was scary as shit. Okay. Fire safety with your friend Pez.
You told me to get here at 10, it's 12 o'clock. As you can see, I'm trying to fill up a big friggin' gap. I love his imagination. It looks like a sex toy gone wrong. It's got some pinholes. Look, I didn't clean it, the welder's wrong, it's too hot outside. There's a lot of factors that come into this play.
Yeah, I mean,